Square Technology Group is a leader in food quick freezing solutions, ranging from spiral freezer, tunnel freezer, impingement freezer, fluidized bed IQF, etc. The self-stacking spiral freezer features self-stacking belt, chain-driven system, and vertical airflow. The food can be frozen in a shorter time and better quality. The self-stacking spiral freezer meets the highest hygiene and energy efficiency standard. The self-stacking belt is driven by chain system, operates completely on rolling balls. The resistance and noise caused by running chain is reduced, so smaller motors can drive the system. The belt is not in tension in run. The belt is less likely to be stretched and deformed. Self-stacking belt stacks on the top of each other's side links. This self-stacking feature eliminates the rails supporting the belt. The unique belt design contains the product in a self-contained freezing zone, for gentle and uniform handling and superior hygiene. The vertical airflow of high velocity touches the product through all stacks, providing even, quick, efficient freezing result. The special holes on the side links also introduce cold air into product zone and create turbulence. This provides uniform product temperature across the belt, and increases the heat exchanging efficiency. The centrifugal fans on the top of the coil suck the cold air from the coil and push the high-velocity air down through all belt tiers. The ADF stands for automatic defrosting. The ADF system blows pulses of pressurized air of high velocity repeatedly over the evaporator fins, to remove the frost, while the products continue to run in the freezer. The heat transfer efficiency is significantly improved. The air defrosting can extend production runtime by 150 to 200% by eliminating frost buildup on the evaporator. The self-stacking freezer is ideal for quick freezing of fried food, ready meal, and pastries. The design eliminates the belt supporting rails and cages. It is hygienic and easy to clean. The self-stacking freezer provided multiple automatic cleaning systems. They are PZC, PZE, and CIP. PZC cleans the product zone that in direct contact with product. PZE cleans product zone and coil. CIP is the full mode. It cleans product zone, coil, enclosure and structures. The systems have multiple cleaning programs for customer to choose, including lathering, rinsing, disinfectant spraying, and belt drying. The fully welded and sloped floor ensures fast and complete drainage